Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the TinyBird. TinyBird takes a close look at whether this data scaling platform is worth your investment. So, designed for developers and businesses needing a real-time analytics, this TinyBird promises lightning-fast data ingestion, processing, and querying without heavy infrastructure over our testing, it proved highly efficient in handling large dataset and over or simplifying complex pipelines, though some features may have a learning curve for newcomers. Pricing is competitive but can add up as data volume grows. Overall, this is a solid choice for teams prioritizing speed and scalability, but those with simpler data needs might find it overkill. If you're serious about real time analytics, it's definitely worth exploring, though beginners should weigh the setup effort against their requirements.